Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video I will show you the young swiftlet that we get inside from our bird's house. This is a very small bird. His feet is very sharp. Look at his feet. But this kind of bird it cannot I think it won't walk. The feeder is very long, and but this is a very young cage. They cannot fly. It's not maybe for a few days from now it will fly. So I have to show you the bird. This kind of bird is imported from Malaysia, and I think the weight of this is less than 5 grams. Okay, yeah. This is a very small. Look at my finger compared to the head of this bird is very small. And look at his face like that. He afraid, maybe afraid. And look at his feather. Look at this in front, the color. It's not black, it's a gray, brown or gray. Okay, this is the swiftlet that produces white nest. This breed of bird is imported from Malaysia. We bring this kind of bird here so that we can raise. So this kind of birds produces a white nest. And okay, thank you so much for watching. This is swiftlet, young swiftlet.